Understanding the phrase, avoid flashy clothes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might come across in daily conversations or in various written contexts. Avoid flashy clothes. We'll explore what this phrase means, why it's used, and how you can apply this knowledge in your own understanding and use of English. Stay tuned as we unpack this phrase together. Let's start by breaking down the phrase, avoid flashy clothes, into two parts. The first word, avoid, means to keep away from or to steer clear of something. The second part, flashy clothes, refers to clothing that is very bright, colorful, or decorated in a way that attracts a lot of attention. So, when put together, the phrase advises someone to steer clear of wearing clothes that are too bright or attention-grabbing. It's often used in contexts where more conservative or subdued attire is preferred or required. Understanding the context is key to knowing why and when this advice is given. There are several scenarios where avoiding flashy clothes might be recommended. Professional settings. In many workplaces, especially in formal industries, dressing conservatively shows professionalism and respect for the work environment. Certain social events. Events like funerals or solemn occasions require attire that is respectful and understated. Cultural sensitivity. In some cultures or situations, wearing less conspicuous clothing is a sign of respect and understanding of local norms. This advice isn't about suppressing individuality but rather about choosing the right attire for the right occasion. So, how can you ensure your clothes fit the occasion? Here are a few tips. Understand the event's dress code. Look for any guidelines provided or ask the host if you're unsure. Observe and learn from others. Pay attention to what is commonly worn in similar situations or environments. When in doubt, opt for subtlety. If you're unsure about the appropriateness of your outfit, choosing something more conservative is usually a safe bet. Remember, the goal is to feel comfortable and appropriate in your attire, respecting both yourself and those around you. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, avoid flashy clothes, and why it might be useful advice in certain contexts. Choosing what to wear can be a reflection of respect and understanding, as much as it is a form of personal expression. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay curious, and keep learning.